Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did film a intro, but I guess it got deleted. So right here I'm just making myself a strawberry banana smoothie with some dates in it for some sweetness. And of course I have my lactose-free milk because lactose is the devil. Anyways, so today I'm going to be doing a full body workout that can be used either at home or at the gym. I have explained some substitutes that can be used, whether it's a bench or a chair. Each of these workouts that you're going to be watching today consist of 30 seconds each workout, some of them 15 seconds on each leg, with no breaks in between each exercise. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and here's my smoothie. Okay, so we're going to kick off this workout with a curtsy lunge to squat complex. As you step back into a curtsy lunge, I want you to focus on keeping your hips, knee, and ankle in alignment. As you press up, pressing through your heel, moving into a sumo squat. Now, a sumo squat is going to place most emphasis in your hamstrings and your glutes. 30 seconds of this movement, and then moving into exercise number 2, which are tricep dips. So I actually did my triceps the day before and I could barely keep myself up today, but tricep dips are awesome for targeting the back of your arms. So by using a bench or a chair, your fingers are going to point towards you. You're going to place your palms onto the bench, then you're going to get down and make sure that your chest and shoulders are back. As you press up, I want you to focus on pressing through your triceps. 30 seconds of this exercise and I promise you your triceps will be demolished. So for the third exercise, I'm going to be doing a step up to reverse lunge. As you step up, I want you to focus on pressing through your heel. If you don't feel safe doing this, you can absolutely take the chair out and do it without the step ups. Stepping up, I like to pull my leg in, giving myself a little ab crunch at the same time, and then stepping back down and reverse lunging with the opposite leg. Same thing with the reverse lunges, keep your chest up, core nice and tight, and your hips, knee, and ankle in alignment. After 15 seconds, I want you to switch to the other leg. Moving into a plank push-up for 30 seconds, you're going to have your shoulders over your wrists, your core nice and tight, and your feet spread out a little bit to give you balance. To make this exercise a bit more difficult, you can make your plank come down to your forearms. I can't give you a full body workout without some bum work, so we're going to do a single leg hip thrust. This is another one of those exercises that after 15 seconds, you're going to want to switch legs. Focus on tucking your chin to your chest as you press through your heel. You're going to want to squeeze your glutes at the top and just hold it there for just a second. If this exercise is too difficult, no worries. You can go ahead and put both your legs down and use the force of both of them to get your glutes up there. So we have another plank today, plank shoulder taps. Same thing as before, I like to separate my legs to give me balance. It's important to keep your core tight so you're not wobbling back and forth. By having your shoulders over your wrists, you're going to reach and tap your shoulders. This should be a pretty quick movement. The single leg pistol squat is an amazing exercise for your quads that I definitely struggle with. This is a single leg movement, so using a chair or a bench is good to help you keep your balance. Swap legs after 15 seconds. Maintain a slow and controlled movement as you come down to a full sit. When pressing up to your heel, you're going to feel major burn in your quad. Moving into an ab exercise, you're going to be laying flat on the floor, crunching up nice and tight. You're going to be holding there that pressure in your core for the entire 30 seconds. Now if you want to target your obliques, add in toe taps. You want them to be pretty wide. You shouldn't be feeling any pressure on your neck, so make sure you keep your head in alignment with your spine. Maintain slow, controlled movements as you tap each foot. Next we have Bulgarian split squats. This is another single leg movement that's going to be great for your quads and glutes. Chest is up, shoulders are back. Once again focusing on that hip, knee, and ankle alignment. Your knee should not be wobbling side to side. This is an up and down movement, so you should be lunging straight down and pressing up through your heel. This workout is going to be ending with 30 seconds of jumping squats. This will get your heart rate up and it's the best way to finish this full body workout. If jumping is too much, no worries, you can finish off this workout with some pulsing squats. Okay guys, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed that 5 to 10 minute workout. 5 to 10 minutes because if you do it all the way through at once with no breaks, it's going to take you 5 minutes.
a 5-minute full body blaster. But if you take breaks in between or want to do multiple sets, it could take 10 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on your bell notifications so you never miss a video. Bye!